Boeing 747, a symbol of air travel for generations, faces a new era of smaller, more fuel-efficient planes. But is the Queen of the Skies truly on her way out? Find out why the 747's legacy continues to soar. In the 1960s, the world dared to dream bigger, and then a giant emerged from the Boeing hangars, the 747. This wasn't just another aircraft, it was the world's first jumbo jet, a colossal double-decker that could carry more than 400 passengers. Its distinctive hump, its sheer scale, became an instant symbol of progress, global connectivity, and the limitless potential of flight. The 747 made long-haul travel more affordable, more accessible, opening up new destinations and truly shrinking our world. It ushered in the era of mass tourism, forever changing how we connect across continents. But time and technology never stand still. As the aviation landscape evolved, a new generation of aircraft began to take flight. Fuel-efficient smaller planes like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350 gained immense popularity. Their focus shifted, not just carrying the most passengers, but maximizing revenue per seat with lower operating costs. The majestic 747, with its 4 engines, its substantial fuel consumption, and its intricate maintenance requirements, faced a new challenge. Airlines began to retire the Queen from passenger service, opting for the lean, green efficiency of twin-engine giants. Was this the end of an era? Absolutely not. While its passenger days wound down, the 747's true, enduring legacy truly began to shine in an entirely different arena: cargo. The very features that made it challenging for passenger operations, its immense size and 4 powerful engines, made its cargo variant an unrivaled workhorse. Its massive cargo capacity makes it ideal for transporting the largest, bulkiest, and heaviest items across continents, from oversized machinery to critical aid supplies, from race cars to entire aircraft engines. Today, the 747 freighter remains a vital player in global logistics. It's the backbone for many dedicated cargo airlines, including industry giants like Atlas Air and UPS, flying millions of tons of goods every year. In a world increasingly reliant on e-commerce and rapid global supply chains, the 747 isn't just relevant, it's essential. It's the unsung hero ensuring that vital products, emergency relief, and the components for our modern lives move swiftly across the globe. The final Boeing 747 production line officially closed in 2022, marking the end of a remarkable 54-year production run. This event was a bittersweet moment for aviation enthusiasts and professionals worldwide. It was a time to celebrate the plane's rich, transformative history, while acknowledging its retirement from new production. But its impact on aviation is undeniable. It inspired generations of engineers, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible, and paved the way for every innovation that followed. The Boeing 747 has earned a permanent, revered place in aviation history. It continues to inspire awe and admiration, its distinctive silhouette instantly recognizable worldwide. Its legacy transcends its use as a passenger aircraft. It stands as a testament to the power of bold vision and engineering excellence, inspiring designers and engineers to continually push the boundaries of air travel. It serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible journey of aviation and the profound power of innovation to shape our world. What aspect of the Boeing 747's enduring legacy do you find most impactful? Its passenger revolution, or its indispensable role in global cargo? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as captivated by the history and future of aviation as we are, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Aviation Archives for more incredible stories from the world of flight.